Okay, I'm gonna start this video in this kind of interesting spot because check out these, how cool these apartments are. Wow. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Though I don't know if I'd want to be out there myself. And then you have this beautiful bridge up there. There's a nice bridge, and that bridge connects these two buildings together. And this building is pretty interesting looking too. I mean, it has really huge balconies for one, nice windows. And I guess these are, actually these are different than I think. They look so beautiful because of the way that it's cut like that in the corners, but then I guess those apartments must be kind of small. I don't know how they're structured. Who knows? They have beautiful balconies right there, so yeah, I don't know how those are structured. No idea. I mean, for all I know, this could be one flat could belong to one person, and it could be incredible. But anyways, I want to show you this whole space because look at this. We're kind of up on a hill, so this is the name of the hill, or the name of the street. But basically, I have all these apartments all the way around me, and you basically have the views of all of them. So we're just going to take a look at all of them up here. And actually these apartments too are beautiful. I'm going to zoom in on those too. I see these kind of stuff in Macau anyways. These beautiful balconies with windows like that. Amazing. So yep. So what we're going to do is continue walking, but I wanted to show this little space right here. Alright. Actually, I'm just going to continue on this spot because there's like, I'm still in front of these beautiful buildings, but I just kind of walked a slightly different spot, and then you can just kind of see this sun is coming down, and then you have all these beautiful buildings. And if you like urban cities like I do, it's like really spectacular to see this kind of space like this. Alright. The bridge up there.